in the city when chasing after virus illegal vehicles. The chieftain motorcycle was
Chief,
a
ano yan?
chieftain motorcycle was a magnificent looking vehicle imported by Indian Motorcycle Company in 1947 with a straightened fender and channel steel shift lever. It was elegant, luxurious, and streamlined in appearance, and was very popular in motorcycle insurance.
You guys, lista. O, tapos ka na. O, yung isa pang book. Ayan pang isa. Ayan, ano sa car. Ay, abot naman sa car. O, sit down ka dito. Di ka pa tapos. Tapos na agad.